Good afternoon, everybody. Every overlander needs a fridge, and when you have a fridge, you need a slide. But when you have a slide and it's this high up, you can't really reach in there to your fridge to grab anything out, so you need a tilt. Today I'll be doing a tilt for my slide. Materials you will need: 2-inch or 1.5 inch C channels. Get them from Home Depot, it's fine. And then some 3/8 tubing and some 3/8 rod. The reason for a C channel is because the bolt can go in here. See that? The bolt head will not stick out. So that way you will not have the bolt sitting on top of my deck system. What I did first was measure how much I needed for the bottom plate on my slider. Next, I measured how long I want it to be on the outside bracket. Put the tubing here, 3/8 tubing here, 3/8 rod inside, measure it, cut it, put it on there. So now, that's how it would tilt. This is my copycat fridge slide stopper. It's gonna bolt in here, so when the fridge slides, it'll stop at a certain point, because if I don't do that, it'll slide way too far. It gets too heavy to push up. So I only wanted to slide about here, tilt it. When it's tilt about here, so it won't be too heavy. So I can just push it back up. And this stopper will fit about right, it'll go about right here. That's about how far I want it to stop. So I'm gonna make it and put it right here. Bolt it right here. after it's all said and done, here we go. Here's the first stop. Here's the second stop. Let it down. There we go. Push it back up. Take her up. And there we go. This is how it looks. Outside, inside. The reason for this big long gap here is for the handle here. So when you close the tailgate, it'll close right here. It won't hit the tailgate. I mean, it won't hit the handle.